VLC is a popular media player with some rich features that make it the perfect video player. The reason is that it supports a wide variety of media files and formats. VLC not only plays media files but also gives creative options like editing. While editing you may require to convert file formats. How to turn VLC to video converter on Windows. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player. Go to Media menu for Convert, Save. Step 2. Then you'll see Open Media window. Go to File tab. There are two sections. In first section, add the files like MOV file you want to convert, and in second section, you can include a subtitle file to embed in the video file. Step 3. After completing the two sections, click on the Convert, Save button. You need to specify the destination folder and name the video file as well as the video profile. Note, VLC gives default package of profiles, which are widely used as audio or video formats. Step 4. Click Start to proceed to conversion. VLC player streams video files twice speed of playing while converting them. Once finished, you'll see the output file in your desired format. Your best VLC alternative: Wondershare Video Converter Ultimate. 1. Convert videos to over 1,000 formats, including MP4, AVI, WMV, FLV, MKV, MOV and more. 2. Convert to optimized preset for almost all of the devices. 3. 30x faster conversion speed than any conventional converters. 4. Edit, enhance and personalize your video files. 5. Burn and customize your DVD with free DVD menu templates. 6. Download or record videos from 10,000 plus video sharing sites. 7. Versatile toolbox combines fixed video metadata, GIF maker, cast video to TV, VR converter and screen recorder. 8. Industry-leading ApexTrans technology converts videos with zero quality loss or video compression. 9. Supported OS, Windows 10/8/7/XP/Vista, Mac OS 10.14, Mojave 10.13, 10.12, 10.11, 10.10, 10.9, 10.8, 10.7, 10.6. Hope you enjoy our video. If you have any good idea and question, please leave us a comment. Subscribe our channel, you will get more about video conversion tips.